Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to delete Quora account. So for this you will have to open the first this application of Quora. So when it's open you will have to just simply on the top left corner you will see the profile icon. So you will have to just tab it and you will see in the last you will see the settings. So just click to the settings. You will see the last in settings, so click to the settings. So from here you will see the privacy, click to privacy. So from here in the last, if you want to deactivate your account you will just click to deactivate. If you want to just delete the permanently account, so you will just click it and enter the password and just click to done. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.